Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Fiesta rear wiper blade. This is a simple task that you can easily do yourself. First, make sure you have your new wiper blade ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to help with the removal process. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully press this release tab. Once the tab is depressed, you can slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was attached. This will help when installing the new one. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a click when it's fully seated and locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Before you're done, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade. Observe its movement and ensure it effectively clears water from the window. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta's rear wiper blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.